Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Boy.
Yeah, I'm back. And I them now me see I cry out. Cause you see the man them who them when you see a ball to some man now, dog, we don't argue, we are running at the thing. One thing me can say for me don't know about nobody. I never beg no boy no strength. I never beg no boy no help for do what me I do on my thing, you see me? No time. Papi, big up yourself. Me do my thing, it's true me know how hard it was. Enough time, brother. We just give some man some strength, bro. Cause I remember the difficulty when me I go through, brother, when me can take up my phone right now. And a promoter call me and I say, yo, you want that data here? And I say that data book out, you know. And him I say, yo, who me can use? I say, here what? Book that youth, I call that youth, I get that one, I do that one. Brother, when some man get the opportunity and them get the call, some man who say them bigger than we. Brother, some boy now, some man I tell them, so, oh, me not have Chris Dymond number. No, you know, say, me lose him number, me not have this, me not have that, me this, me that. No, we don't know coded number, bro. I saw them style of thing, brother. Me, ask, yo, me not upon them think that that. Promoter bookings, yo, you know, say me not available. You don't know who me can use or yo, you me want to use, me say, here I go on. Use a man, tell that man a number. That man just get him visa, you try with him. You see me I recommend a selector and promoter tell me, say, yo, we don't know them man they in a foreign or some man, I think a DC. We don't know them man they like them man they not go pull a crowd. Me say, you rate me? Cause that's why you call me for the bookings, though, you rate me? And them say, yeah man. I say then if you rate me, you have to take my suggestion as a youth where is a next bad selector say, try with a youth. And him try with the selector from here and them and them just get them visa. And from them go over there and get the bookings. Man them got about 4 or 5 times, the promoter they never call me back. And when me do bad, me can't bad. You see me, he call me back in about this date not available, but him keep on a link them man there. And I saw it go, brother. I saw it go, dog. You have to know them style. Eh? The man them want every glory for themself, dog. Me and the post to them. Next year, dog, I know the worst thing, the whole of them know they want to ramp with me. Because them know say, me and one of them man them going to play a hypocrite and laugh with them. The whole of them know that. The whole of them know that. But here where the post to them do. Them like test your meditation more time. So next year, anything? No. Yeah, we have our next buckle. One more? Yeah. We have our next buckle.
I hope they drink.
Yo.
Or else they gonna tap.
Me and I joke thing with the post of them next year. Me any selector, bro, we feel like you're too big. To give Chris Dymond in respect. I don't want a man no healings no rare. But you see if you can get your thing and when you see me and reason with me and I tell me say yo dog and I give me respect, but then if you get a platform or if you talk about things I say oh yo I'm here the man, no other selector no important. Me got this all hypocrite next year. I don't care who you be, I care zero where you come from. Yeah man, I don't want a hypocrite friend, brother. No hypocrite in next year, man. No guy. I don't care who you be. Biggest a selector, everything. I don't care who you be. Biggest a sound. I'm glad how I set my sound now, you know. Code red. For juggling, we are juggling. For juggling party, we are juggling. You see me? And if it's a thing where a war, we are war, said we. So a guy knows say you can't try going like you want to go around code red. No time. I just decide them in a business born on name. I'm gonna violate me next year. Matter of fact, me even not wait for no violation. I'm not waiting on violation. You give me no hypocrite till me I run away. If you can't want to be real in front of my face alone and can't give respect where you just like how but you want we respect you, I send you up on there mother flying and fast and quick. Straight up. I don't care who you be. I care zero who you be. Nah run no joke with no boy. Yeah man, me never shy away or go around giving a man him props. Never. So now, alright, do the history. You know, so me almost got 20 years now strong in music as a selector where I travel the world. So some man can go on at them one size up my thing, no time. Like, we might quiet and not too talk, but don't go on like you want to undermine the work we put in though. Because things that we do, some man do it and know. But that's true, we not talk. Like myself, if you're not hype, you don't get respect. But one of them things, man. Just look out for it. Be a problem. Ilan, you know what, come on? They are burn out thing, brother, cause be a hypocrite, heal me see I go on, brother. Yeah, man. Bother the Dan, big up yourself. People, is that you there? Bother the Dan. Get used to him. Might be next biggest hip hop artist now, right now, you see me?